Let's be honest for a second. Prospecting sucks. We all know it. It's boring, it's repetitive, and the rejection hurts. I don't care how tough you are, getting hung up on 10 times in a row drains your battery. But have you ever played a video game where you had to grind for hours to level up? You did the same boring task over and over again. Why? Because you wanted the points, you wanted the next level. What if you could trick your brain into feeling that same way about cold calling? The problem with real estate is the feedback loop. You make a call today, maybe you get a lead, but you don't get paid for 90 days. And that is a broken reward system. Your brain craves instant gratification. When you make the calls and get nothing but no, your brain tells you to stop. And so we need to hack the system. And so we need to learn to detach from the result, but still learn to give our brains a reward. We need to figure out how to get paid now for the work that we do now. And so that's exactly why I decided to make AscendR. And the real reason behind it is because I wanted to reward myself and my team and the agents that are using it for the activities that lead to the commission check, not necessarily the commission check itself. That is a pretty sweet reward. But how do we gamify the results, right? The first thing you'll notice is that we've got this big XP bar at the top here. This is allowing agents to level up. And everything is going to be based off of an XP system. You're going to get 5 XP points per contact, 15 per lead, 25 per appointment set, 50 for appointment met, and so on down the road, all the way down to closed deals. And so you'll notice a few things. First, you'll be able to compete with yourself in the lifetime XP bar, but you're going to be able to compete with other agents in the global leaderboard. And so you're going to be able to compete with agents all across the country who are also prospecting. And so what I found is it really motivates me to get on the phone, to push past those hard days, those hard hours, because I'm building in for myself a system that I know is going to produce the results. And so I don't wake up trying to sell a house. I wake up trying to hit my goals for today. And if I can do that, I know that the results are going to take care of themselves. And then finally, there is the streak engine. Now, this is probably the most powerful force in human psychology, loss aversion, right? We hate losing things that we've built. And if I've prospected for 45 days in a row, I have a 45-day streak. And I want to keep that fire burning. So on day 46, when I'm tired and I want to go home, I look at the fire and I make the calls, not because I need the money, but because I refuse to let that number go back down to zero. And that is how you build a habit that makes you rich. Is your business running you, or are you running your business? If you're tired of losing your weekends to ungrateful buyers or living on that commission roller coaster where you really never know where the next check is coming from, you do not have a lead problem, you have a leverage problem. So I've put together a completely free course called the Listing Agent Ascent inside our free school community. It's designed to help you stop reacting to the market and start engineering your income by focusing on building your listing business. I'm giving away the exact math and the systems that I used to stop being a tour guide and start being a business owner. Click the link right in the description, join the community for free, and let's get to work. I'll see you in there. Stop relying on willpower. Willpower fails. And start relying on gamification. If you want to make prospecting addictive, join the 14-day Ascent Challenge. Click the link right below, and let's see how many days you can go without breaking the chain. The link is right in the description, and I'll see you on the leaderboard.